Are you always broke no matter how hard you work? Do you feel like your money just disappears every month? Well, it's not just bad luck. There are habits that are keeping you poor, and you might not even realize it. But don't worry, because today we're breaking down the 5 money habits that are destroying your wealth and how you can fix them fast. 1. Living paycheck to paycheck and doing nothing about it. Here's the harsh truth. Most Americans live paycheck to paycheck. You make money, you spend it, and then you wait for the next paycheck. Rinse and repeat. But ask yourself, what happens if an emergency hits? A car repair? A medical bill? If you don't have at least 3 to 6 months of savings, you're walking on thin ice. The fix? Start small. Save $10, $20, or anything from every paycheck and build an emergency fund. Your future self will thank you. 2. Relying too much on credit cards. Let's talk about credit cards. They're not free money. Yet, so many people swipe their way into debt and end up drowning in high-interest payments. Credit card companies love it when you just pay the minimum balance because they get to charge you more in interest. Want to escape this trap? Pay your balance in full every month. And if you're already in debt, stop swiping and focus on paying it off ASAP. 3. Ignoring where your money goes. Every dollar you spend is a vote for your future. So where is your money going? If you don't track your spending, you'll never build wealth. That daily $7 Starbucks, the $15 fast food orders, the endless Amazon impulse buys, they add up. Track your expenses for 1 month. You'll be shocked at how much money you're wasting. Once you see it, you can start cutting the unnecessary spending and put that money towards your future. 4. Not investing and letting your money sit. If your money is just sitting in a regular savings account, you're losing money. Why? Inflation. Prices go up every year, but your money stays the same. That means your savings are actually worth less over time. The rich get richer because they invest. And no, you don't need a lot to start. Even $50 a month in an index fund can turn into hundreds of thousands over time. Start now. Even if it's small, your future self will thank you. 5. Thinking, I'll start later. The biggest trap of all. The biggest mistake, waiting. Waiting for a better job, waiting for more money, waiting for the right time to save and invest. But here's the truth. There is never a perfect time. Every day you wait, you're missing out on opportunities to grow your wealth. Start now, even if it's just $1 saved or invested. Small steps lead to big results. These 5 habits are keeping people broke, but you have the power to break free. Start fixing them today and watch your financial future transform. What's the biggest money mistake you've made? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more life-changing money tips.